Hello student, good morning. Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Today we will study snapshot 4th chapter Albert Einstein at school. Albert Einstein 1879-1955 is regarded as the greatest physicist since Newton. तो न्यूटन के बाद एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को एक ग्रेटेस्ट फिजिस्ट माना गया है. एंड द फॉलोइंग एक्सट्रैक्ट from the young Einstein's well-known biographer Patrick Pingles. So the writer Patrick Pingles has taken an extract from a book. तो here एक एक्सट्रेट है. दिस फॉलोइंग इन द फॉलोइंग मीन्स ये जो एक लेसन है वो एक एक्सट्रेट है कोई भी एक बुक का, उसमें से एक पीस लिया गया है, राइट. और किसने लिया है? तो पैट्रिक पिंगल. डिस्क्राइब the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein expulsion from a general school. So here in this lesson हमको ऐसा बताया गया है कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को एक स्कूल से एक्सपल्सन मीन्स टर्निंग आउट, निकाला गया है. ही वॉज एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द जर्मन स्कूल. ओके. In what year Einstein, as the history teacher, did the Prussians defeat the French at Waterloo? So in this line, there is a teacher, history teacher, asked Einstein about the Prussian defeated French at Waterloo. Waterloo is a name of war. So history teacher asked Einstein about the war and in which year Prussian defeat the French. I don't know, sir. So Einstein replied that he did not know the answer. Why don't you know? You have been told it often enough. So here teacher told Einstein that he was told many times about this war and the date of the war and so and so. I must have forgotten. So Einstein replied the teacher that he must have forgotten about that. Did you ever try to learn? Asked Mr. Brown. So Mr. Brown is a history teacher. Okay. So history teacher asked that did you ever try to learn कि क्या कभी वो सीखने की कोशिश भी करेगा? No, sir. Albert replied with his usual unthinking honesty. So Albert replied the teacher. He was very honest. Unthinking honest. It means that वो अपने बात में वो बिल्कुल ही ऑनेस्ट था. उसको नहीं आता था, उसने बता दिया कि नहीं सर मैं वो ट्राई करूँगा नहीं. Why not? तो टीचर ने कहा कि क्यों? Why didn't he try? I can't see any point in learning dates. So Einstein replied that he did not think or did not see any kind of he did not like any point. मतलब कि कोई उसमें उसको कोई पॉइंट नहीं दिखता कि वो डेट्स को याद करे. One can always look them in a book. So why did to learn that? And there is no logic to learn all the dates because those dates are already written in the books. तो बुक्स में तो लिखा है. So why we try to keep in our mind कि वो तो है ऑलरेडी, तो हम क्यों हमारे दिमाग में उसको रखने की कोशिश करें. Mr. Brown was speechless for a few moments. So here when Einstein replied him that he had not seen any point in learning dates already in the books, so why we should learn all the dates. At this Mr. Brown was speechless. You amazed me, Einstein, he said at last. So history teacher said Einstein that he was amazed with him. Don't you realize that one can always look most things up in books? कि तुझे कोई रियलाइज ही है कि हर कोई चीज़ को देखने के लिए हमको बुक में ही देखना पड़ेगा, हमारे दिमाग में रखने की क्या कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके. ये सेंस में बात की गई है. That applies to all the facts you learn at school. Whatever we learn at school or in school, क्या सभी बुक्स में है? तो हम क्यों याद करें कि क्या हर बात पे हमको क्या बुक पर डिपेंड रहना पड़ेगा? Yes sir. Then I suppose you don't see any point in learning facts. So history teacher said that. Then I suppose you don't see any points in learning facts. Okay, so learning facts means history में ये सब facts वगैरह आते हैं. So history teacher ने उसको कहा कि learning facts में कोई point ही नहीं है, right? Frankly sir, I don't, said Albert. तो Albert Einstein को language या फिर हिस्ट्री में कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था. ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन फिजिक्स एंड मैथ्स, राइट. तो उसने कहा कि फ्रेंकली सर, ये सही बात है कि लर्निंग फैक्ट्स में कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है. देन यू डोंट बिलीव इन एजुकेशन एट ऑल. हिस्ट्री टीचर आस्क्ड. देन देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर यू. ओके. ओह यस सर, आई डू. आई डोंट थिंक लर्निंग फैक्ट इज एजुकेशन. तो यहाँ पर भी एल्बर्ट कह देती है कि यस, learning facts is not an education. In that case, said the history teacher with heavy sarcasm. Sarcasm means unpleasant word to make fun. और एक बात जो बोली जाती है उसका मीनिंग कुछ और ही निकलता है, that is sarcasm. Perhaps you will be so kind as to tell the class the Einstein theory of education. When Albert said that he did not believe in fact of learning या फिर लर्निंग फैक्ट्स, बट एट दैट टाइम टीचर ने सार्कासिज्म कहते हुए कहा कि तो क्लास को ये बताओ कि व्हाट इज़ द आइंस्टाइन थियोरी ऑफ एजुकेशन, कि आइंस्टाइन की एजुकेशन की थियोरी क्या है. आल्बर्ट फ्लस्ट, वो थोड़ा शर्म फील करते हैं, थोड़ा हेजिटेट फील करते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट फैक्ट दैट मैटर बट आइडियाज, ही सेड. सो आइंस्टाइन सेड दैट fact does not matter but ideas matter. I see the points in learning. I don't see the point in learning the dates of battles. Battles means जो वॉर होती है, वो डेट जो होती है उसको याद करना, उसके बारे में लर्न करना, इट इज़ नॉट पॉइंट. और इवन विच ऑफ आर्मीज किल्ड मोर मैन, और विच आर्मी किल्ड मोर मैन. सो दिस इज नॉट लर्निंग. I would be more interested in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. So Einstein was interested that why the soldiers were trying to kill each other. He was not interested which army killed more men or which the battle was defeated or who won or who defeated the war. He was not interested, but the reason why they were trying to kill each other, वो रीज़न में इंटरेस्ट रखते थे but not in learning facts. That's enough. Mr. Brown's eyes were cold and cruel. So to get the answer from Einstein, he became angry. कौन angry हो जाते हैं? Mr. Brown, जो उसके हिस्ट्री टीचर है. We don't want a lecture from you, Einstein. You will stay in for an extra period today. Although I don't imagine it will do you much good. So here he got the punishment. Okay, punishment में क्या मिला? उसको खड़ा रहने को कहा गया for the extra period. It will not do the school any good either. So history teacher also said that कि he does not see any good. अगर punishment मिलती भी है, अगर वो खड़े रहते भी है, तो भी उसके लिए कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. You are a disgrace. I don't know why you continue to come. So history teacher became very angry and he said him that he is a disgrace, and he also didn't understand that why did Einstein continue to come to school. It's not my wish, sir, Albert pointed out. And when teacher said that he was surprised that why Albert continued to school. Then Albert Einstein replied that it was not his wish to come to school. then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. So, history teacher became very angry and he said that he should be an ungrateful he is an ungrateful boy and out to ashamed of himself कि वो एक ungrateful unthankful एक लड़का है और उसको उसके किए पर बहुत शर्म फील करना चाहिए. ओके एंड ही ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड हिम दैट हिज फादर शुड टेक हिम अवे फ्रॉम द स्कूल. Albert felt miserable when he left school that afternoon. So whatever the incident happened made Albert very miserable. He became very unhappy. Miserable means dukhi. Not that it had been a bad day. Most days were bad now. Anyway, but because he had to go back to the hateful place the next morning. He was so miserable and for him to go to school, उसके लिए स्कूल ही जाना बहुत बुरी बात थी because he did not like to study in school. We already learnt about study about Albert Einstein in 9th class. Okay, a truly beautiful mind. वो वहाँ पर भी हमने पढ़ा था कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं था एंड ही वॉज एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द स्कूल. उसको स्कूल से निकाला गया था. सो इट वॉज वेरी बैड दैट द हेटफुल प्लेस एंड ही हैज़ टू गो टू एवरी डे देर कि एक ऐसी हेटफुल जगह है जहाँ पर उसको फिर से वहाँ पर नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यानी कि अगली सुबह भी उसको यहाँ पर आना है. ही ओनली विश्ड हिज फादर वुड टेक हिम अवे. What was his wish? उसकी क्या इच्छा थी? His wish that his father should take him away from that school. But there was no point in even asking. Okay? But there was no point कि कोई point नहीं दिखता था क्योंकि उसको already he knew the answer that his father would not do that. He knew what the answer would be. He knew what his father's answer would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. और वहाँ तक वो स्कूल में उसको कब तक रहना है? Until he completes his diploma degree. Going back to his lodging. Lodging means जो एक लॉज में रहते थे, हॉस्टल टाइप का ही होता है, वहाँ पर वो रहते थे. He had a room there. So going back to his lodging, he did not cheer him up. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarter of Munich. So Munich is a place in Germany, right? Okay, and his father was not so rich. So there was a room in lodging was so poor. It was not comfortable room. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort or even the dirt and squalor. But he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Whatever the discomfort he find there, whatever the bad food he was taking there, so it was not mind for him कि उसके लिए कोई इतनी माइंड करने की बात नहीं थी. But he did not like the violence there, the atmosphere of slum violence. उसको वहाँ पर जो वायोलेंस होता था वो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था. इवन ही डिड नॉट माइंड द डर्ट एंड स्क्वेयर. चाहे कितनी भी गंदगी हो उसको कोई माइंड नहीं करता था वो सब चीज़ें. बट ही डिड नॉट लाइक द एटमोसफियर ऑफ स्लम वायोलेंस. जो वहाँ पर चलते चलते कोई हिंसा रहती थी, झगड़े फाइटिंग्स वगैरह होता था, वो उसको पसंद नहीं था. हिज लैंड लेडी बीट हर चिल्ड्रन रेगुलरली. लैंड लेडी जो उसकी घर की मालकिन थी, so she used to beat her children regularly, and every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. So that landlady's husband used to come on Saturday, and whenever he come he drunk. जब भी आता था वो पिया शराबी था और उसको भी मारता था लैंडलेडी को. एंड लैंडलेडी जो थी she used to beat her children regularly. So this kind of atmosphere hated by the great person Einstein. Okay, but at least you have a room of your own which is More than I can say, said Yuri when he called round in the evening. When Yuri had come in the evening. Yuri is one of Einstein's friend. So ऐसा हुआ होगा कि आइंस्टाइन ने कंप्लेन की होगी ये रूम के बारे में, एटमॉस्फेयर के बारे में. सो यूरी सेड दैट एटलीस्ट ही हैज़ अ रूम एंड ऑफ हिज ओन रूम, कि उसका खुद का एक रूम तो है. At least you have among civilized human beings, even if they are all poor students, said Albert. So Albert replied Yuri that at least whatever the atmosphere in which Yuri is living, all civilized human being, कि at least जो जिस एरिया को बिलोंग करता है वो civilized human being है. Even if they are poor, भले ना वो गरीब है, but they are civilized human being. दे आर नॉट ऑल सिविलाइज, यूरी रिप्लाइड. यूरी भी कहते कि दे आर नॉट ऑल सिविलाइज, वो ऑल सिविलाइज्ड नहीं है. सिविलाइज को हमको समझना पड़ेगा जिसमें अच्छे मैनर्स हो, संस्कार हो. डिड यू नॉट हियर दैट वन ऑफ देम वॉज किल्ड लास्ट वीक इन अ ड्यूल. तो ड्यूल मीन्स फाइटिंग, कि तूने नहीं सुना कि लास्ट वीक ही देर वॉज अ क्वारल एंड वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट वॉज किल्ड. And what happens to the one who killed him? So Einstein asked that what happened that person who killed the boy, और कि सामने वाले को जिसने मार दिया उसके what happens, कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ. Nothing of course. तो यूरी कहता है कि उसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Nothing. He is even proud of it. अभी तो उसको वो और प्राउड कर रहा है. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. Okay, so authorities warned that person to not to do more fight. Okay, और कुछ भी हुआ नहीं. He is upset about this because he hasn't single scare on his face to wear for the rest of his life as a badge of honor. So that fellow is also worried कि उसके चेहरे पर ऐसा कोई स्केयर जो है वो मार्क नहीं रह गया. अगर मार्क रह गया होता तो उसको वो ऑनर फील करता, कि ये पूरी लाइफ वो याद कर सकता कि ये मार्क किसका है, कि इसने किसी को मार दिया. सो ही और सी प्राउड मोर, कि वो और भी उस पर वो प्राउड फील करते. ओके, तो किसके बारे में वो चिंतित है कि कोई सिंगल स्केयर, कोई मार्क्स उसके बॉडी या फेस पर नहीं है. ओह, एक्सक्लेम एल्बर्ट, एंड दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये क्या स्टूडेंट है? स्टूडेंट मस्ट बी सिविलाइज. आइंस्टाइन को तो ऐसा लगता है कि स्टूडेंट जो होते हैं वो दे आर मस्ट बी सिविलाइज्ड. वेल, यू विल बी अ स्टूडेंट वन डे, said Yuri. So Yuri also said that one day he will also be a student. I doubt it, said Albert glumly. Glumly means दुखी होकर. I don't think I will ever pass the exam for the school diploma. So here, as he did not like to go to school, he did not like learning, so he was not sure that he would complete diploma there in that school. He told his cousin Elsa the same thing the next time she came to Munich. Normally she lived in Berlin, where her father had a business. So Albert also shared the same thing with Yuri and with Elsa. Elsa came to Munich. Munich is in Germany, right? And Elsa, who is his cousin, तो वो जब आती थी मुनीच से, बर्लिन से मुनीच आती थी, at that time he also shared his feelings with her. And Elsa's father had a business there in Berlin. I'm sure you could learn enough to pass the exam, Albert, if you tried, she said. I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are, who get through. So Elsa tried to console Einstein कि तू ये एग्ज़ाम तो पास भी कर लेगा, उससे भी कुछ बकवास बॉयज़ जो है, डल बॉय है, वो भी तो पास कर लेते हैं. मोर स्टूपिड देन यू आर, मतलब एल्सा कहती है कि तेरे से भी स्टूपिड जो बच्चे हैं वो भी पास कर लेते हैं. वो गेट थ्रू, तो गेट थ्रू मीन्स पास हो जाना, गेट पास. ओके, पास हो जाना मतलब क्लियर, एग्ज़ाम जो है वो क्लियर कर लेना, पास हो जाना. दे से यू डोंट हैव टू नो anything. You don't have to understand what you are taught. Just be able to repeat it in the exam. So Elsa tried to console Einstein that try to repeat. और ये मत सोचो कि क्या है कुछ नहीं है, बट उसको सिर्फ याद करो और लिख कर आ जाओ, एग्ज़ाम में आ जाएंगे, पास हो जाओगे. दैट्स द होल ट्रबल सेड अल्बर्ट. तो अल्बर्ट कहते कि यही तो प्रॉब्लम है कि वो कोई भी चीज़ को रट नहीं सकते, और कि जो भी सिखाया गया है उसको दिमाग में रख कर उसको फिर लिखना, वो उसको ट्रबल करता था. I am no good at learning things by heart. Okay, so सब कुछ दिमाग में रखना. Keep everything in heart, in mind, then to write. It's trouble for Albert Einstein because he could not collect the things in mind. You don't need to be good at it. Anyone can learn like a parrot. So parrot जो हम बोलते हैं उसको मगअप करता है, तो यू डोंट नीड टू बी गुड एट, इसमें गुड होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, पैरेट भी तो कर सकता है. यू जस्ट डोंट ट्राई. ओके, सो एल्सा सेड दैट कि तू सिर्फ ट्राई नहीं करता, एक बार ट्राई करके देखो. वंस यू ट्राई इट विल बी ईजी फॉर हिम, एंड येट आई ऑलवेज सी यू विथ अ बुक. ओके, सो एल्सा ऑल्सो सेड दैट कि उसको तो हमेशा वो बुक के साथ देखते हैं. अंडर योर आर्म एडेड एल्सा. एल्सा एडेड दैट whenever she him under his arm he had a book. What is the one you are reading? So Elsa asked that which book is it that he is reading. A book on geology. Geology, rocks and things. Do you learn that? So Elsa asked that geology means rocks and things. So did he learn that? No, we have hardly any science at school. So Einstein replied that they have no any science period in school. Then why are you studying it? So Elsa asked that if there is no science period, then why is he reading that book? Because I like it. Isn't that a good enough reason? Okay, so Einstein said that he like and he read. So isn't that a good reason? कि हमको जो अच्छा लगता है वही हम करते हैं, क्या वो रीज़न एक परफेक्ट रीज़न नहीं है, इनफ रीज़न नहीं है? एल्सा साइड. एल्सा उदास हो जाती है. Elsa sighed. Elsa became hopeless. You are right, of course, Albert, she said. So she was agree that whatever he likes, he read. कि जो उसको पसंद है वो रीड करता है, but it will not help with your diploma. But Elsa tried to convince that these things will not help him to complete his diploma. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music. He was a good violinist. Okay, he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. Okay, कब तक वो बजाता था? His landlady came and stopped him to play the violin. एंड हम जब 9th में हमने पढ़ा था वो चैप्टर अ ट्रूली ब्यूटीफुल माइंड, उसमें भी आया था कि वो पूरी लाइफ ही वॉज अ मैच्योर वायोलिनिस्ट, एंड हिज मदर वॉन्ट that he play the violin. That wailing means crying and shouting. That wailing gets on my nerves, she said. Who is she here? Landlady. There's enough noise in the house with all the kids howling. So already kids are there to create the noise, and that noise is enough. कि इतना तो इनफ आवाज़ है जो बच्चे करते रहते हैं. सो नो मोर नॉइज फ्रॉम द वायोलिन. Albert was tempted to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl, but he decided it was better to say nothing. ओके, सो कभी कभी तो एल्बर्ट को भी लगता है कि उसकी लैंड लेडी को बोल दे कि most of the noise is created by her, not by her kid or not by the violin. But he finds that it is better to keep mum or say nothing. I must get away from here, he told Yuri. So again Elsa के बाद अब आ जाता है फिर से यूरी, right? Okay, Yuri, one of his friend. I must get away from here, he told Yuri. after 6 months alone in Munich. Okay, so he was alone in Munich. His parents already went somewhere, कि कहीं वो चले गए वहाँ पर, वो भी जाना चाहते हैं, right? He doesn't want to stay there alone in Munich. It is absurd that I should go on like this. In the end it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. I will be better. It will be better for all if I stop now. So here Albert thinks that he should leave this school. Okay, 6 महीने के बाद वो यहाँ से चला जाए, बट ही थिंक्स दैट इट इज़ वेस्टिंग ऑफ हिज फादर्स मनी एंड वेस्टिंग ऑफ एवरीवन्स टाइम, कि टीचर का भी टाइम बिगाड़ती है वहाँ पर स्कूल में जाकर, बिकॉज ही डजंट लाइक स्टडी देयर. ओके, it will be better for all if I stop now. Okay, so Albert thinks that it is better he stop the study. And then what will you do? Yuri asks. So Yuri asks Albert Einstein that what will he do, कि क्या करेगा वो वहाँ जाकर, या फिर क्या करेगा उसके बाद. I don't know. If I go to Milan, I am afraid my father will send me back. Okay, मिलान जो है वो स्विट्जरलैंड में है, वो कहते हैं कि अगर वहाँ पर जाएगा फादर विल सेंड हिम बैक, वापस भेज देंगे. Unless his eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. And suddenly he had an idea in his mind. And during this time his eyes gleamed. Gleamed means shine. Yuri, do you know any friendly doctors? So he asked Yuri that did he know any friendly doctor? I know a lot of medical students and some of them are friendly, said Yuri. Doctor? No. So Yuri said that he did not know any doctor, but yes, he knew many medical students. Even he has many friends who are studying in medical. I have never had enough money to go to one. Why? ओके, यूरी कहते कि उसके पास इतने पैसे भी नहीं कि डॉक्टर के पास जाए, बट वो ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहा है? वाई डिड ही आस्क? सपोज, तो एल्बर्ट कहते कि मान लो, सपोज आई हैड अ नर्व ब्रेकडाउन, कि वो नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन, उसके साथ कोई ऐसा मेंटली, नर्वस मीन्स थोड़ा मेंटली कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. Suppose a doctor would say it is bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. So there is an idea in his mind that suppose he had a nervous breakdown and doctor suggests him not to go to school and he can leave that school, कि वो school छोड़ सके. I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. So Yuri said Albert Einstein that he could not imagine a doctor saying that. कोई डॉक्टर ऐसा क्यों कहेगा? Why doctor gives him a false certificate or whatever? I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. So Albert said that he will try and he will find a doctor who is specialized in nerves, कि वो दिमाग की जो स्पेशल हो, दिमाग का जिसको डॉक्टर कहते हैं, जिसमें वो स्पेशल हो, he will find it. There are plenty of them, Yuri told him. There are many doctors who are specialized in nerves. He hesitated for a moment and then added, rather reluctantly, I will ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. So reluctantly means unwillingly. Yuri did not want to really help him, क्योंकि वो झूठ मूठ का भी कोई इस तरह से वो सर्टिफिकेट या फिर क्यों बना कर देगा. So he hesitated, but he promised that he will find some of the specialized doctors. Will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining. So his eyes were shining as Yuri promised him to help him. Wait a moment. I haven't found anyone yet. Okay. Oh, but you will. Okay. But Albert कहते कि नहीं, तू करेगा ही ऐसा, तो you will have to find one doctor for me who is specialized in nerves. And if I do, I don't know if he will be willing to help you. So Yuri said that if suppose he find a doctor, but why doctor willing to give him such kind of medicine, such kind of certificate, कि ऐसी झूठ मूठ की ऐसी बात क्यों कहेंगे? He will declare Albert. Albert कहते हैं नहीं, वो करेंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ रियल नर्व्स ब्रेकडाउन टू मेक ईजियर फॉर मी। ही लाफ्ड मैरिली, वो खूब एकदम से हंस देता है, बिकॉज ही विल हैव अ रियल नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन, कि उसको नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो ही जाएगा इफ यू विल गो मोर टू दैट स्कूल। आई हैव नेवर सीन यू लुकिंग लेस नर्वस, रिमार्क यूरी। तो यूरी ने कहा कि आई हैव नेवर सीन यू लुकिंग लेस नर्वस। ओके, अ डे और टू एट स्कूल विल सोन पुट दैट राइट, अल्बर्ट एश्योर्ड हिम। अल्बर्ट एश्योर करता है कि अ डे और टू एट स्कूल, या 1 या 2 दिन अगर स्कूल जाएगा, ही विल हैव अ नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन, उसको तो ब्रेकडाउन हो ही जाएगा। Certainly he had lost his high spirits when Yuri show him next, and it was really happened कि यूरी ने जब नेक्स्ट टाइम देखा, ही वॉज मोर ब्रेकडाउन, कि वो बहुत ही स्कूल से हताश हो चुका था, वो वाकई में हताश था। Certainly, maturely. I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. So he said, Albert said that he is really have a nervous breakdown and this will satisfy any doctor, कि डॉक्टर भी satisfy होकर वो सर्टिफिकेट दे ही देंगे। Keep it up then, said Yuri. I have found a doctor for you. Okay, so उसने कहा कि he has find a doctor for him. You have, Albert face lit up. अच्छा, तो तूने ढूंढ भी लिया? That he really he had found. Oh good. When can I see him? कब मैं उसको मिल सकता हूँ? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. Yuri said, here's the address. Okay, so Yuri had given an address of that doctor to Albert Einstein, and he had an appointment tomorrow evening, means next day evening. He had an appointment with a doctor. He had handed Albert a piece of paper, that address. Okay, Dr. Ernest Well, is he a specialist in nose troubles? Asked Albert. तो उसमें कौन सा डॉक्टर का नाम क्या है? Ernest Well. So Albert asked that is he a specialist in nose trouble, कि क्या वो स्पेशलिस्ट है? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी आर स्टॉपिंग हियर। आज हम यहाँ तक पढ़ेंगे, नेक्स्ट हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।